Welcome to the Jersey Shore and Ventnor's prestigious St. Leonard's Tract. Today we have the ultimate in oceanfront living, a brand new 5,000 square foot luxury beach home, 8 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, a pool, and so much more. If you're looking for a beach house or investment, or even just want to see what $3,949,000 will buy you at the beach, keep watching this tour of 109 South Cambridge. We help people achieve the highest quality of life through buying and selling real estate. If you're looking to buy a home or sell a home in New Jersey, Delaware, or Pennsylvania, my team and I would be honored to help. And you can contact us at info@promptagents.com. Starting the home tour at the living area, which is actually the 3rd floor. We have the 1st floor is a garage space, 2nd floor bedrooms, and now we're up on the 3rd floor, which is awesome for the living area. As you can see, we have this incredible dining room, living room area, fireplace. They're still doing some work on the fireplace here. And you have a wraparound deck with incredible ocean views. On almost every room, you've got an incredible view of the ocean here, fishing pier right down the way here. At this section, you have a eating and dining area here. And then check out this island. This is incredible. Quartz, beautiful quartz countertops, huge center island here. You've got sub-zero refrigerator. You've got your Wolf stove here, high-end appliances. And even if you're just at the kitchen washing the dishes, you've got an incredible view here of the beach. It is amazing. Forgot to mention, as you come up the steps here, we have an elevator. This services the entire house. So it is 4 stories, but very easy access to the elevator. Around the bend here, we have the half bathroom and a really large pantry, which is great. Now I'm still at the main living area, and at the back of the house, there's this awesome suite here, huge bedroom, awesome walk-in closet with organizers, full bathroom, and you have your own private deck here, which looks over the backyard. And I think I did mention there is an in-ground pool, an incredible pool right here as well, so you get a good view of the pool in the backyard. Upstairs we have 2 bedrooms with their own private bathrooms and an incredible balcony here overlooking the beach. Let's go and take a look at the first suite here. So upstairs in this suite we have a beautiful door, slider door right out to the deck in front of me here. And then behind me we have a walk-in closet, a beautiful bathroom, dual vanities, and incredible tiled shower. We're still on the 4th floor. We have another bedroom at the back of the house with a full suite, shower, and bathroom, and also another walk-in closet here. So now we are on the second level of the house. The living area just above us on the third level, 2 bedrooms additional up on the 4th level. And this is where the bulk of the bedrooms are right here on this floor. Here's the front door entryway. And follow me through this area. At this level, we have a living area. This would be perfect for, let's say, maybe a ping pong table, pool table. This is a really nice area to hang out here on the second level. And again, an incredible view. You have this wraparound deck and amazing beach views right here. So again, coming from the main entrance here on the second floor, right off of the hallway here, we have a laundry facility, washer and dryer right here. There's 4 of the bedrooms are right here on this floor, so most of the bedrooms right here. Again, we have the elevator, 2 bedrooms here, another 2 bedrooms at the back of the house, full bathroom here, and another full bathroom right down the hallway. It's not the last bedroom of the house here on the second level in the back, and we do have another slider going out to a private deck, and then that overlooks the backyard and the pool. Now we are on the lower level, and one of the great things about this house is there is room for parking. If you've got a beach house, you're going to have people over, you're going to have visitors, you're going to have a lot of family coming to see you. You need space. So you have about 4 parking spaces you could probably get outside on the driveway. And then in here, you could probably get another 4 cars. And if you really want to park them really well, you could probably get 6 in here. Just a great space, lots of storage if you want to have your beach toys, your kayaks, whatever you want to put down here, plenty of room for storage. Wow, this has been an incredible home tour. Please leave a comment and let me know what features you like best in the home. For more information, call me or reach out at info@promptagents.com. And if you'd like to see more home tours from the Jersey Shore, watch this next.